Hi guys, it's Sandy here and today I'm coming at you with another manga haul collection type of video. If you haven't watched my first one, please make sure you watch that. I posted it around last year November. I am a huge anime and manga fan, so I have a playlist as well with other types of manga anime related videos. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. I really feel we need more South African content creators making this type of content, and it's something that I love. So since last year November, I managed to get 5 more volumes of Yona of the Dawn. I picked up volume 25 from Bargain Books, volume 22 from Exclusive Book, volume 24 from Bargain Books, volume 10 from Take a Lot, I believe, and I think volume 14 from Loot. So yeah, I kind of just shop around all different places. I think at the end of this video I will show you packing my manga shelf so you can get an idea of what I already have and what I added onto. I haven't started reading Yona of the Dawn, so isn't that going to be really awkward if I collected all the volumes and I don't even like it? Anyways, I better like it. Yeah, it's like a shoujo classic, so I'm sure I'll like it though, right? Then I actually got this like yesterday from Bargain Books. They were having a sale. This is volume 10 of the Full Metal edition of Full Metal Alchemist. I have volume 6, 7 and 8 already, and I literally paid 99 Rand for this, which is an absolute steal. These usually retail for like 350 Rand per volume. The Full Metal editions are absolutely gorgeous. This is really a collector's edition through and through. We have like this gorgeous page here. We have the glossy pages, some of it's in color, but even the black and white print, very high quality glossy paper. I believe there's going to be a total of 16 to 18 Full Metal editions of this manga. Then in my previous video I showed you that I had volume 1 and 3 of Rand and the Grey World. I picked up volume 6 from Exclusive Books, which I actually regret because I paid 262 Rand for this, right? And then when I went to Bargain Books yesterday, I saw they had it on sale for 69 Rand. Yeah. And then in my last video I also showed you like some of the One Piece that I bought. So since then I picked up more volumes. I picked up volume 93 and 94 from Take a Lot, I believe. I got volume 95 from Bargain Books, but I did pay full price for this. It wasn't even on sale. I really like the Wano arc. So this is currently, you know, where the One Piece series is at. So there's still new volumes being printed. I think volume 96 might be out, but I haven't seen it on the shelves. So yeah, from this point onwards, it's kind of the new series that I've added to my collection, and I'm going to like start collecting further. The most exciting thing is probably that I started adding Attack on Titan. I did a full unboxing on my channel, so you can check that out as well if you want to see more detail about what came with this box set. But I ordered this off Amazon because there was a huge sale. Basically, it comes with this gorgeous box. Again, make sure you check out my other video that I did with this. Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, and Volume 4. It also came with 2 sheets of stickers, which is really cool. I actually did start reading this, so you can see all the tabs that I made. Usually whenever I find something noteworthy, then I'll put like different color tabs, and different color tabs mean different things, so it's easy for me to navigate when I want to come back to the manga. And then I also started collecting Daytime Shooting Star. I actually really like this. I started reading it as well. You can see I put in quite a few tabs. I have volume 1, 2, 4 and 5. I have some other volumes on the way. I got volume 2 from Bargain Books and volume 4 and 5 from Exclusive Books, and then volume 1 from loot.co.za. I'm really bad at describing these things, but yeah, it's about this girl who moves to Tokyo and like kind of has this thing for this teacher, but like this teacher is also like friends with her uncle. She sees the teacher a lot out of school and in school and stuff, but it's really cute manga. I'm really enjoying it. Let me show you this teacher. The teacher. And then another series that I literally bought yesterday, I bought all of this yesterday, is Shortcake Shortcake Cake. Volume 1 is from Exclusive Books. Volume 4 is from Bargain Books. Volume 6 is also from Bargain Books. And Volume 7 is from Exclusive Books. I think this series has around 11 volumes in total. I mean, as you can tell, another shoujo. Apparently it's very like light-hearted, chilled, you know, no serious plot. But just something light and fluffy to enjoy, if I could describe it. It's about like this girl who has to go to a school that's really far from her home, so she ends up staying in a boarding house. I don't know if the guys are in the boarding house or if they're in the school, but something like that. But I mean, it seems like it's gonna be really fun. I feel like this would be definitely more enjoyed by like a younger audience, whereas Daytime Shooting Star is something that can be enjoyed by a little older audience. The artwork is really pretty though. And then the last thing that I like added to my collection was Solanin by Inio Asano. Nice and thick as well. This was a good read. It's a standalone. I don't always like reading full series because then there's multiple volumes I need to collect. This is beautiful. I think if you're in your early to mid 20s, this is just so relatable. If you're below 20, I don't think you'd be able to relate to this at all, but if you are older, maybe 30 and above, I think this could be very nostalgic. But it's basically how like in your 20s you kind of have like no direction, you don't really know what to do, and this manga says it's okay, it's normal. Definitely very touching as well. It was really nice. Artwork might be a little turn off for some people, but I didn't mind. The story was so good. I really want to go back and put some tabs in here because there's some really cool quotes in here that I actually would like to revisit some panels as well. This is my ramune that I bought from Market Kokoro, you know, the Japanese lemonade drink with the marble on top. It's so cool. I get so thirsty when I make YouTube videos, honestly. What was I even doing in the video? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna pack this back on my shelf. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you are like an anime fan, manga fan, if you're in South Africa. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!